Coinbase, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, will be forced to transfer all of the European accounts on their platform to another entity within the EU. In an email sent to its European users, the exchange said that a no-deal Brexit will prevent the company from providing e-money services to its clients. Coinbase users in Europe receive email warning about Brexit being one of the most discussed topics in global politics. Brexit's effect on the geopolitical climate of Europe has been dissected time and time again. However, Britain leaving the European Union will have consequences that reach much further than just policies, as exiting the EU without a withdrawal deal could have detrimental consequences on the financial system as well.
Related, Coinbase issued e-money license for the icon Europe. Coinbase, the largest cryptocurrency exchange that has come out of the United States, has taken up a large portion of the European crypto market in the past year, with the majority of its clients residing in the UK. The exchange, which began preparing for Brexit as early as last year, could face serious regulatory setbacks if the UK
leaves the EU without a deal and began preparing their clients for the worst. Coinbase users in Europe began receiving emails from Coinbase preparing them for the worst-case scenario in case of Brexit. A Twitter user shared the screen grab of the Coinbase email, in which the exchange said user accounts could be moved to another licensed entity in the EU. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.